Hello everyone, welcome back to the Visa Library. I'm Max and today we're diving into the exciting process of immigrating to New Zealand as a psychiatrist. If you're considering making a move to this beautiful country, you've come to the right place. But before we continue, hit that subscribe button and join our community of visa enthusiasts. We release 3 new videos every week, so be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out. Let's go. What are the working conditions of psychiatrists in New Zealand? They normally work regular hours, but they may be called in the evenings or on the weekends. They typically work in hospitals or clinics. They may operate in emotionally draining and difficult conditions, and they may need to travel and attend conferences. What are the types of employers for foreign psychiatrists? The majority of psychiatrists work for district health boards, public hospitals, community mental health programs, private practices and hospitals, and academic work at medical schools or universities. Next question. What are the required medical degrees for psychiatrists in New Zealand? You'll need a recognized medical degree from a reputable university. This typically takes around 5 to 6 years of education, combining classroom learning and clinical training in hospitals and clinics. Next, you'll need to pursue a specialized certification in rehabilitation medicine. The Royal Australian College of Physicians, or RACP, offers a 5-year training program in rehabilitation medicine in New Zealand. During this program, you'll gain valuable experience in various settings such as hospitals, rehabilitation institutions, and community-based clinics. After completing your specialized qualification, you must register with the Medical Council of New Zealand. Alright, what are the visa options for foreign psychiatrists? Your psychiatrist's profession is on both the long-term skill shortage list and the regional skill shortage list. As a psychiatrist moving to New Zealand, you are eligible for Skilled Migrant Category Visa, Essential Skills Work Visa, Work to Residence Visa, and Work Permit for Entrepreneurs. Who is eligible to immigrate to New Zealand as a psychiatrist? Number 1, age. You must be under the age of 56. 30 points for 20 to 29 years old, 20 points for 30 to 39 years old, 20 points for 40 to 44, and 10 points for 45 to 49. Number 2, qualifications. You must have a recognized qualification or professional experience as a psychiatrist. Psychiatrist qualification, 40 points, a bachelor's degree, 50 points, a master's degree or PhD, 70 points, and 70 points for 2 degrees or a degree plus a postgraduate certification. Number 3, work experience. You must have at least 3 years of experience. 5 to 2 years of experience in another country is 10 points. 6 or more years of experience in another country is 15 points, and a maximum of 50 points for at least 10 years of job experience in a skilled employment in New Zealand. Number 4, English language proficiency. IELTS 6.5 or higher in each bag, 20 points. TOEFL 75 or above in each area, 20 points. PTE academic 58 points or above in each communicative skill, 20 points. FCE and overall results of 176 or higher with no bands below 169, 20 points. A B pass in each skill on the OTE, again 20 points. Number 5, health and character requirements. You must fulfill the health and character criteria of New Zealand. Number 6, having a job offer as a psychiatrist. A job offer in a field where there is a severe scarcity is 15 points. Other job offers are 10 points. Number 7, other factors, additional factors such as previous study or practice as a psychiatrist in New Zealand are also considered. All right, one important question: how to immigrate to New Zealand as a psychiatrist? Let's see. Step 1, check your eligibility. Step 2, apply for registration. To register with the Medical Council of New Zealand, you must present documentation of your qualifications and professional experience and submit it to a credential evaluation. Step 3, get a job offer. You can use job searching websites, recruitment agencies, networking with local psychiatrists, and contacting websites of businesses. Step 4, choose the right visa. I talked about them. Step 5, submit an expression of interest or EOI. Your EOI will be reviewed, and if you match the eligibility requirements, you will be asked to apply for a residence visa. Step 6, gather the required documents, including your passport, evidence of psychiatrist qualifications, and evidence of psychiatrist work experience. Step 7, apply for your visa either online or in person. Step 8, wait for a decision. Step 9, arrive in New Zealand. All right, how to get a license in New Zealand as a psychiatrist? Let's see. Step 1, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. First, you must have completed a medical degree from a recognized institution. This typically involves 5 to 6 years of study. Additionally, you need a recognized specialist qualification in rehabilitation medicine. Proficiency in English is essential. You must demonstrate it by taking an English language test like IELTS. Step 2, apply for registration with the Medical Council. Fill out the registration form and provide supporting documentation, including your medical qualification, specialist qualification, and English language proficiency test results. You may also be required to provide additional documents such as proof of identity, character references, and evidence of your medical practice. Step 3, complete the registration process. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, complete the registration process. Pay the registration fee of 1,090 New Zealand dollars, undergo a criminal background check if required, and fulfill any other specific requirements based on your circumstances. Congratulations! After completing the registration process and being accepted by the Medical Council of New Zealand, you'll receive your license to practice as a psychiatrist in New Zealand. But the journey does not end there. To maintain your registration, you must fulfill the Medical Council of New Zealand's ongoing professional development criteria. This includes completing a certain number of hours of annual continuous professional development activities, participating in peer review activities, submitting an annual CPD statement, and paying an annual practicing fee. By meeting these requirements, you can keep your psychiatrist registration in New Zealand and continue to practice medicine nationwide. All right, let's talk about the money part. How much is the salary of a psychiatrist in New Zealand? The average psychiatrist salary in New Zealand is roughly 239,000 New Zealand dollars annually. However, salaries vary from 129,000 to 361,000 New Zealand dollars. And there you have it. Now you have all the information you need to kickstart your application and pursue your dream of immigrating to New Zealand as a psychiatrist. Remember to download our handy cheat sheet from the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay informed about all visa-related content, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more updates and valuable resources. If you have any specific visa topics you would like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching.